In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress from your A2 hosting portal and access your new WordPress dashboard. We'll go through the full setup process in a simple, clear way so you can get your website up and running smoothly. This method uses Softaculous inside cPanel, which makes WordPress installation fast and beginner-friendly. To get started, log into your A2 hosting portal. Once you're inside your account, launch cPanel. This is the main control area where you manage your hosting tools, domains, files, databases, and website applications. If you're new to hosting, don't worry. Everything we need for this tutorial is easy to find. After cPanel opens, scroll down until you find Softaculous Apps Installer. This is the section that allows you to install popular website software without having to do anything manually. In Softaculous, click on WordPress to open the installer page. On the WordPress page, click Install Now. This will take you to the installation form where you'll enter the basic settings for your new site. First, select HTTP as the protocol. This is important because it ensures your website uses a secure connection, which helps protect visitors and is generally the recommended option for modern websites. Next, choose the domain where you want to install WordPress. Make sure you select the correct domain if you have more than one listed in your hosting account. Then, configure your site details and your admin account credentials. This includes things like your site name and the login information you'll use to manage your WordPress website. Be careful when entering these details, especially the admin username and password, since they'll be required every time you log into the dashboard. It's a good idea to use secure credentials and save them somewhere safe. Once everything looks correct, scroll down and click Install. At this point, Softaculous will begin setting up WordPress for you automatically. This usually only takes a short moment, so just wait for the process to complete. When the installation is finished, you'll be able to access your WordPress dashboard by going to your domain.com/wp-admin. That is the login area where you can sign in and start customizing your site, creating pages, writing posts, installing themes, and adding plugins. And that's it. You've successfully installed WordPress through A2 hosting and you're ready to start building your website.